I'll try to get there quick.
And you may be able to see the drone once you get closer.
Right.
To kind of get a general idea of where she is. I guess I should turn my spotlight off until you get over there.
Yeah, it was a little hard to tell from the quick glance I had from the side, but that did look like her. Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's her if it's just a dog wandering around in the field, right? So.
Yeah, with that collar on too. So right now I have the spotlight on her, so...
See all that? See if I can see where the drone is here. Where is it? Oh, I see it. Okay.
You see the spotlight?
See the spotlight, yeah. It'd be hard for me to get over there.
She's coming towards the drone a little. Now she's stopped.
Here, I'm gonna get over here. This isn't really a parking spot, but it'll have to do for now. Head up right out to that field here.
Yeah, she's running towards the drone right now, so if you can see that.
Okay. She's way out there, okay. I'm not out there. If I'm out of breath, don't know why. Kimmie! Kimmie, girl!
Yeah, she's still kind of running towards the drone a little bit.
Okay.
Can you see her with the spotlight?
I don't see her. Oh, maybe. Oh, I see movement. Kimmie, girl! Kimmie!
Oh, she heard you.
Come here, girl! Kimmie, honey! Kimmie, baby! It's me! I think that might be her. It's still hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure it is. Kimmie, girl! Hi, honey! Come here, Kimmie, girl! Come here, Kimmie. Kimmie, come here. Come here, girl. Hi, honey. Is that you?
She's starting to kind of run away from you, I think.
Come here, Kimmie, girl. I got food. Look what I got. Come here, girl. Come here, Kimmie. Come here, Kimmie, girl. Come here, Kimmie. Kimmie, girl. Come here. She's on the move.
Is she running towards you or away?
She's going away, yeah. Kimmie! Come here, girl. Come here, Kimmie. Oh, shit, I lost her. Where is she?
Oh, right behind you. Right behind you.
Oh, hi, honey. Oh, hi, baby. Hi, baby, it's me. Hi, honey. Here you go. Here's your treat. Here's your treat, yeah. Come here, honey. All right, she's rambunctious. I think I got to hang up so I can carry her.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
But yeah, we got her.
All right.
Thank you so much. I'll be right back.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.